Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting for all you handy folks out there. We've curated a list of the top 12 must-have handyman tools that will take your DIY projects to the next level. From carpentry to gardening, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. The NHON 2mm Carpenter pencil set with 12 marker refills and sharpener is a vital tool for mechanics, architects, woodworkers, and designers. Priced at $8.99, it features an extended needle nose tip for precise markings in tight and hard-to-reach areas. The built-in sharpener ensures accuracy and portability. The set includes 12 replaceable 2.0mm refills, offering longevity and cost-effectiveness. Suitable for metal, wood, plastic, tile, stone, glass, and paper, this reliable tool is durable and dependable. The UnderProfessional 14-inch window cleaning tool is a game-changer for window cleaning, priced at $18.97. Its 2-in-1 design combines a squeegee and scrubber, making window cleaning faster and more efficient. With a 14-inch rubber squeegee blade, it delivers professional cleaning power, leaving windows streak-free and spotless. This tool can be easily attached to a telescopic pole, providing extended reach for high or hard-to-reach windows. The scrubber sleeve is machine washable, ensuring convenient and hygienic use every time. Perfect for both residential and commercial use, the UnderProfessional 14-inch window cleaning tool is a must-have for anyone seeking professional quality window cleaning results. The EGO Portable Power Station, priced at $1,201.38, is a revolutionary battery-powered alternative to gas generators, providing clean, quiet, and portable power. With its 3,000-watt Nexus power station and 4 5.0Ah batteries, it offers versatile indoor and outdoor use. Perfect for tailgate parties, it powers appliances like slow cookers or griddles. During power outages, it keeps essentials running, from TVs and microwaves to full-sized refrigerators. Ideal for camping trips, it lights up spaces, operates fans, cooktops, and plays music. The EGO Nexus Power Station is a game-changer, ensuring quiet, clean power in any situation, from indoor emergencies to outdoor adventures. The Greenworks 40-volt garden cart is a versatile outdoor tool priced at £529.99, designed to simplify outdoor tasks. Its brushless motor ensures reliable performance, while the rust-resistant cargo tub, with a 3.75 cubic foot capacity and offloading assist handle, effortlessly handles loads of up to 220 pounds. This garden cart's self-propelled feature and 2-speed options allow for smooth maneuvering across various terrain types. With a 3-year warranty, you can trust the garden cart to serve your gardening and landscaping needs for years to come. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of the Greenworks 40-volt garden cart as you tackle outdoor projects with ease and reliability. The Milescraft knee blades are durable heavy-duty knee pads designed for any task that requires working on your knees. Priced at $54.99, these high-quality knee blades provide enhanced balance, flexibility, and mobility. The 3-wheeled mobile base enables full 360 degrees turning capability without lifting from the floor, ensuring smooth movement during tasks. The close-to-the-ground design minimizes back stress, offering added comfort. With the push of a button, you can easily switch from knee blades to knee pads. These knee blades are perfect for work and offer great support for anyone needing to work comfortably on their knees. The Lyle flashlight holder with magnetic base is priced at $17.99 and offers a flexible 9-inch gooseneck design that can bend over 90 degrees and rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to aim the light precisely where it is needed. Its versatile two-position flexible finger design securely holds various flashlights or trouble lights. The holder accommodates lights with diameters ranging from 625-inch to 2-inch. With a universal fit, this flashlight holder with a magnetic base is a handy tool for keeping your hands free and ensuring that your light source stays in the right position for any task. The Root Assassin 48-inch garden shovel and saw is priced at $49.99, and it's a powerful gardening tool that can make your gardening tasks much faster and easier compared to conventional tools. The enhanced shovel shape and curved tip with serrated edges are specifically designed for slaying roots and weeds, making it a valuable addition to your gardening arsenal. The serrated shovel saw effortlessly cuts through roots and other obstructions in the soil, further enhancing its effectiveness. For comfort during digging, the shovel features a sturdy D-shaped metal handle that is rubber-coated. Additionally, the digging spade comes with a pointed tip, allowing you to dig deeper with maximum leverage, making it an excellent choice for various gardening projects. With the Root Assassin garden shovel and saw, you can tackle your gardening tasks with ease and efficiency. The Marchand 12-volt DC 5-ton electric car jack kit is designed to efficiently lift vehicles weighing up to 5 tons, 11,000 pounds, using a hydraulic drive system. Priced at $154.99, this electric car jack kit is a convenient and time-saving tool for car owners. With a powerful torque of 340 Nm, the jack is capable of lifting the car quickly and effortlessly. Operating the jack is simple, just connect it to the 12-volt vehicle power outlet and press the button on top for automatic lifting or lowering. The kit includes a tire inflator pump, ensuring you never have to worry about flat tires. It comes in a compact and organized storage box with additional accessories like an electric impact wrench, LED light, power cable, battery clamp connecting cable, and gloves. Safety is a top priority with the stable and secure structure. The floor jack automatically stops working if it exceeds the height limit or exceeds its maximum load weight. The Marchand 12-volt DC 5-ton electric car jack kit is a reliable and efficient tool that simplifies car maintenance and saves valuable time during emergencies. The Powertech Square check for tape measures is a must-have tool for accurate measurements and perfect squareness in your projects. Priced at $8.99, this handy tape measure attachment offers a quick and precise solution to determine the length and squareness of your workpieces. Its unique design prevents your measurement tape from slipping off the corner when measuring workpiece surfaces, ensuring reliable and consistent measurements even when operating without a second set of hands. With the Powertech Square check for tape measures, you can achieve professional-level results without the frustration of repositioning the tape repeatedly. Enhance your woodworking and DIY projects with this convenient and affordable tool for precise and squared measurements. The Lasko high-velocity pivoting utility blower fan, priced at $69.96, is a unique and versatile solution for tight spaces that require efficient air circulation. Ideal for workspaces, attics, basements, and garages, this fan's patented pivoting action allows you to direct the airflow precisely where needed, from floor-level circulation to exhausting air from newly painted ceilings. With 3 high-velocity speeds and a focused airstream, it delivers powerful performance. The fan also includes 2 additional outlets, a circuit breaker with reset, and a grounded plug for safety and convenience. Whether cooling or ventilating, the Lasko high-velocity pivoting utility blower fan is the ultimate multi-purpose utility fan. The glass-lifting suction cup's heavy-duty vacuum with an aluminum alloy handle holder is a versatile tool priced at $24.95, suitable for multiple applications. It serves as a floor gap fixer for laminate floors, a safety handrail in baths, a tile suction cup lifter, and facilitates removing and installing car windshields and moving heavy glass walls or aquariums. The non-slip aluminum alloy engineering handles offer comfort and safety, while the thick buckle of new ABS engineering plastic enhances stability and durability. This suction cup is a reliable and affordable solution for various tasks. The 1/8-inch 500 tile spacers, clips, priced at $54.99 are essential for stress-free and precise tile installation with the levelized tile leveling system. Achieve a lippage-free finish, improved tiling speed, and professional results every time. The kit, suitable for professionals and DIYers, includes 500 durable plastic clips, 100 reusable tile leveling wedges, and labor-saving push-on tile pliers, providing everything needed for easy installation and saving on future projects. The clip's thin base design adapts to any flooring compound thickness, creating an equal 1/8-inch, 3 mm, gap between tiles for a seamless result. The labor-saving pliers with a non-slip, soft grip ensure a secure tile placement. The reusable wedges lock into the clips, keeping tiles at an even height for maximum flatness, and can be easily removed with a rubber mallet after completing the project.